Okay, guys, so let's take two. So we are redoing this whole video again. You guys didn't hear what we could hear in the headphones, so we had to tweak the settings inside my computer. Don't worry about it, but this time you'll be able to hear a difference, okay? So right now it's the laptop audio, all right? So let's switch to the microphone, the TAP 600 that I use for my podcast. Okay, guys, I'm leaning into the microphone so you can hear my voice better. This is on the TAP 600, and this is what I use for my podcast. That's this guy right here. So let me stop now and hear the video before I show it to you guys to make sure you can hear the difference.
All right, so we're here on the laptop now talking about the TAP or TAP 300 microphone. This one should be fun. I'm really interested in this, see how it works. Okay, so we're now looking at the TAP or TAP 300. This is the studio quality microphone. Now this one is a little different. This is the only one that actually takes an XLR cable. So it does have a little different than the old standard USB you might be used to, but the quality I think will definitely be there and surprise us.
All right, everybody. So we're back, and now we are using the TAP 300 XLR microphone. I believe this one, if I'm not bad wrong, is $99 right now. Yeah. Is their price on it. And this thing just absolutely sounds amazing. I hope you can hear the quality as I can pull this away from my mouth. You can just sit here and talk normal, without having to jam this thing way up down here. This thing just sounds amazing to me. It just blows my mind on how great this one is.
Okay, guys, so I'm being recorded on the computer. I'm getting all confused because we're like changing wires and everything. All right, we haven't done the microphone yet, but this one is it's this one. This is another USB microphone. You can't hear me right now because I haven't turned it on. All right, so you can hear what I sound like with computer audio. Now let's go. This is the TAP 400 USB. So let's switch over right now. All right, now, as you can see, I've got this microphone going and it sounds really good. I'm right next to it. You kind of have to talk into the face of it. So this is another great podcast mic, but like all these mics are amazing, and nothing's over $100. I mean, I said under $200, but they're like under everything. All these mics you're seeing are under 100. So anyway, this is, like I said, the TAP 400. If you like it, you like the sound of it. My voice sounds really good on this. So let's listen to them, make sure they're perfect before we play them back to you. All right, go ahead and talk.
All right, so we're testing this new and improved camera mounted microphone.
And it is literally, it's a shotgun mic that fits on the shoe of my kitchen Canon. So the camera I have in the kitchen, I just slide it onto the shoe, and this is the smaller of the two shotgun mics that they sent me. So we're testing it out right now. We'll go listen to it, and we'll see how it is. All right, guys. So basically, as you heard the difference, finally, I'll make sure I play back the video before I play it to you guys so that you can hear a difference. All these microphones are affordable by anybody, whether you're a gamer that streams, or you're a podcaster that streams, or you're a YouTuber that streams. I highly recommend all content creators go with the Turnstile audio mics.